When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Siva Nag recipes with me Chef Siva Nag. Today's episode, as a special recipe, I am going to prepare peanut spice powder. This spice powder is a very good combination with hot rice. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe.
Now take a pan, add 1 cup of dry coconut powder, fry it on a low flame. Fry until it turns into light golden color. Once it gets a golden color, transfer this into a bowl. In the same pan, add 1 cup of peanuts. Fry these peanuts on a low flame. Now transfer these peanuts into a bowl and keep it aside. Now add 7 to 8 dry red chilies, now add half cup of curry leaves, stir it. Once these both get fried, remove from the pan and turn off the flame. Now transfer all ingredients into a blender. Add little amount of tamarind. Add required amount of salt and blend it into a coarse powder.
Now transfer this powder into serving bowl. That's all, peanut spice powder was ready. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section.
In next episode, I am going to prepare cauliflower egg fry. Don't miss it. When we upload videos, for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Siva Nag recipes, click on the bell icon.